Hello there, my name is Julie Sutcliffe and I am a Stampin' Up demonstrator in the UK, and I'm actually in West Yorkshire. And today, as I promised my lovely customers on this morning's coffee and card event that I ran, I would do a video of a selection of the products that I've received from part of the new online exclusives offering, which actually goes live today. They're live on today, the 4th of March. So they're available to order on my store, thepaperhaven.stampinup.net. There should be a link in the video description. So the first product suite, it's not a full suite actually. The first products, because there's some gems that I've not shared with you, I think. And maybe some ribbon. Anyway, these are the items that I'm going to be the part of my weekend retreat that I'm running in April, plus also my spring retreat day, which is on Saturday the 26th of April, which is exactly the same products. So this one is called Thankful Garden. I think it could be called Beautiful Garden as well, because we do this thing where we have like different names for it, depending on whether it's dies or papers and stamps. The papers are actually called Lovely Garden. Anyway, it's a new one that's about the garden. So it's Thankful Garden, Lovely Garden. Here we go. So in the bundle, you actually get 3 items. Normally, it's a stamp set and a die set, or stamp set and punch. But on this one, it's a stamp set, dies, and these masks. Okay. So I've not used them yet. They are on my hit list for this weekend. So these are a bit like stencils, so you can stick them down to your project, and then you go over them with a blending brush or daubers, and then you choose a darker colour, and then you add some accent. That goes like that. You just line up these little notches, okay, and then again you add another one on, and that adds some extra colour. So that's what that does. And then we've got the same with the leaves. Okay, so they're really lovely to use. Then we have the stamp set that matches. Now, just please note, it is shown at 75% of the size here. So it is a lot bigger than it looks when you look inside and you look at the picture there. So that's lovely. And then we have some matching dies, which cut out the stamps, plus there are some extras like the leaves. They cut out the stamps and the images and some more leaves. So yes, we love those. But you know me, anyone who knows me knows that I love my papers. So these are really lovely. There is some basic black in this colour suite. So some of the papers are black and white. You've got some brights on one side, and then on a lot of them you've got the black and white images. So the colours in here that you're seeing at the moment, that's garden green and crushed curry. Then we've got some melon mambo, some fresh freesia, some blueberry bushel, and that must be boho blue and garden green. Some fresh freesia, more garden green, more black and white, there we go. So lovely, lovely papers. And then I'm teaming them up with this stamp set, which is the Painted Stripes background stamp. It does like a watercolour effect, which I think is fantastic. You can create this with a water brush, but if you struggle with techniques like that, then this is for you. I'm also including a new embossing folder, which I haven't got out on my desk. I'll see if it's easily accessible. I can't find that. I thought I'd taken it to my one-to-one tuition that I do on a Thursday, but it's not in that box. So anyway, there is a lovely mini corrugated folder. I can show you a card that I've made using it actually. Here you go. So that is what I've used here for the crumb cake background. So you do get that included too as part of my retreat day. So that's my first lot of products that I wanted to share with you. As I say, they're available now. And there's a link in the description now. This lovely set is called the On The Go Suite, and I've not opened it yet because I wanted to open it on here with you. Colours in this one are Asia Afternoon, Basic Black, Crushed Curry, Pumpkin Pie, Shy Shamrock and Strawberry Slush. Now that's really weird because Strawberry Slush was a retired colour, which is very, very interesting. So I don't know if it's coming back as an in colour this year. I don't know. But yeah. So these are a little bit different. I think they're going to be great for scrapbooking. So look at that check pattern there. And then you've got little tags on a pattern. There is a bundle that goes with this, but I don't have it. You've got little keys there on that one. Oh, these are fab for travel or school projects even. Really great. They're great for your scrapbooking. Ah, fab for scrapbooking. Fabulous. Oh, they're brilliant to cut out. Look at those. Excellent, excellent. So they're really nice, nice and bright. And the only other part of the suite that I've got that goes with them is this, it's called Pack Your Bags. So it's a 3-pack of twine that goes with it, which I thought was a nice little extra. They're available now. Now there's another suite, and I think it's called Botanical Textures or something. I've actually just saved some pictures on Facebook of it. So let me see if I've got access to them here, and I can tell you the exact, oh, not that one. See if that's it. Botanical Textures, I was right. So it's one of those mega suites. I've not got the stamps or the dies. You know, I do have to limit what I can get, but I love getting the papers. So these are like, that's like a texture, you know, like a matte, oh, what's the word? I can't think of it. Anyway, you get the idea, I'm sure. They're like proper photographs. Oh, and that's like a linen. That's really cool. That's like a rattan. Oh, I don't know. Oh, man, do you get more than... You got 3 of that one and 3 of that one. All right, okay. That's interesting. Oh, look at that. That's interesting too. There's 3 of those. Oh, wow. These are really cool, actually. It's like a basket weave. So again, there's 3 of those. Oh, and that's a really nice generic sort of, a bit of a linen effect background. And then that's cool. Really cool. So you actually get, and then another basket weave one, you get 3 of each paper. So that there's still 12 sheets, but there's just 3. There's sort of 4 designs, double-sided designs, but 3 of each. And then the black and white ones that go with them, these are called Botanical Textures. What were the others called? I don't know. Woven Textures, I think. These are really nice because they're very, very versatile. Ooh. Interesting. Do you know, these would be really good for scrapbooking a wedding, actually, if you've got a lot of different colours. Because they're quite, you know, they're obviously really monochromatic. And you can let the colours pop. So they are the botanical textures. That's all for papers that I'm sharing. Now, this doesn't represent the whole suite, the whole set of new products. There are other things that I really loved, but my budget was limited. So, yeah. These are some Memories and More cards called Remember This Moment. And I just thought I'd have a little flick through these. They're very nice. Memories are everything. Yeah. It's the little things that matter. That's really nice. They're really nice. Oh, they're a bit like, I would say they're a bit like the Liberty type fabrics. I don't know. What do you think? Oops. When we have each other, we have everything. I love that. And that one is gorgeous. So they are just cards for scrapbooking. They're not stickers and things. But I love that pattern. So yeah. So let me just read this. Yeah, it's Memories and More card pack. It doesn't tell me how many. I think there's 6 of each. So yes, that's those. I got those because I thought I always like to get some of the scrapbooking bits. I'm going to save my favourite product till last. I've already sold one this morning. I love this Arched Wishes stamp set. And this goes with my new fave product, which isn't too new, but it's quite new, which is the Everyday Arches dies. At first I didn't get them, and then I saw everybody like making brilliant stuff with them, and I gave in, and I'm so glad I did. In fact, I made this card with them, which so you can make a different shaped card. Oh look, I've just undone my linen. Shall I redo that while we're on? It's come undone. There we go. So yeah, you can use them to make a lovely different shaped card base. So I really like those. They were already out, but this is a new stamp that sort of goes with them. And I really like the images, and I thought you can use everything on here. So I got that to go with them. And then I'll just put this away. I was just going to say finally, but penultimately, I got this stamp set because I just thought it was fabulous. Greetings. Pattern of Friendship. Thanks for being the best bestie. Happy birthday. Thinking of you brings a smile to my face. Let's keep in touch. You bring so much joy and laughter to my life. Friends are the family you choose for yourself. And then this happy birthday. And I love those. I love those. And then finally, as I say, I've already sold a pack of these today. These are my new favourite items. And they are the whole punch set. And I'm just going to find a scrap of card. Hang on. So I can share these with you. So we used to do a hole punch where it was a handheld punch. But this one is this. I mean, look how easy that was. And then I'm just going to do all of them, and then you can see. So you've got the little hole punch, you've got this slot punch here, and then you've got that extra slot punch. If you can see them all there. Does that help doing that? Like that. So they really, really are handy to have. And it's £20 for the set of 3. So it's less than £7 a punch. £6. It's about £6.75 a punch, isn't it? Just a bit more. But there we go. I think they are fabulous, absolutely fabulous. So if you would like any of the products, there are more things available. If you want to look on my store at everything that's new, then just go on paperhaven.stampinup.net, and there should be a what's new section. When you click on shop now, there should be what's new, and you can see all the products there. So if you like anything, I'd love to know. Look at that dirty mark from when I was Calypso Coral, that. If you like anything that you've seen on the video, then please do leave me a comment. I would love to know what your faves are, and I'll be seeing you again soon. See you later. Bye.